In this section, let's look at the short-run supply curve for a perfectly competitive market structure. The short-run supply curve is the marginal cost curve above the shutdown point. The shutdown point is the point at which price is equal to minimum average variable cost curve. The short-run supply curve is a combination of price and quantities supplied, and it is an upward sloping straight line. Over here we have the maximum profit and the maximum loss combinations. Taking a look at the next slide here, I have 5 different marginal revenue lines. Each of them is a price line, and I have one marginal cost curve. Like we did before, we find the output level at the intersection of marginal revenue and marginal cost. I see the shutdown point here is point B, because at point B, price is equal to minimum average variable cost. So the supply curve will be this part of the marginal cost curve. So what we learned here is the supply curve is equal to marginal cost curve above the shutdown point. And this is when we are looking at a single firm. When we are looking at an industry, the supply curve is a summation of marginal cost curves of all the firms in the industry. So, as simple as that. Thank you very much. Hope this makes sense.